Alright, y'all. Long awaited moment. I know everybody's been asking, when are you going to get busy on the Ledfoot Gray 93 George's car? That's what we're doing right now. You can see we're digging some of the parts out. We're actually going to try and get this bad boy on the ground. There is the K-member there. Dover finally found the spindles. They were buried, yes?
Yes.
They were buried. So, we've got some parts here. Got A-arms, got anti-roll bar. We got some coilovers in there. Max Motorsports, Kessler cambers. All kinds of just miscellaneous stuff, but that's what's up. We're going to roll this thing out. Actually try to get it on the ground. So let's go. Get her on the ground. Whoa.
Go where? Swing the back end around.
I'm about to hit these boxes there. You clear over there? Alright. Man, out from the ashes. Hopefully you guys saw. Powder coated. Roll cage is in. Get all this junk off of here. It'd be nice to have this car on the ground. Actually start getting a feel for how it looks. Yeah. If you have not watched the video when George dropped this car off, you need to go back and check that out, because this car is going to be, it's going to be next level too, which actually Lee's car, George's car, and Jeremy's car are all going to be next level. So alright, looks like a bump steer kit. Yeah, I like progress. Should be your caster cambers. Hey, are those K-member bolts? There we go. Boom.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Pretty much I think everything's here.
Let's see what's in this box. Totally unmarked. Nothing there. Okay.
Coilovers, we need that.
Yep, coilovers. All right.
Turn these other lights on up here.
Yeah, we need to brighten it up in here a little bit. So we actually found the K-member bolts, which we were thinking that was going to be a hunt. Man, those lights do.
Oh yeah. I don't know why I hadn't turned them on.
Wow. That's crazy. So we found the attaching hardware. We got the K-member. We got the coilovers. We got the caster cambers. We got the struts. Strange adjustables. All right, y'all. So success. Car is on the ground. Cody actually lifted the whole car by himself.
Hercules.
Yep, Hercules. So, got all the Acasta camber plates, K-member, coilovers, all that, and the wheels. Oh, God. Cody, what do you think? 93, 94 maybe?
Man,
Something like that.
before I was born.
Yeah. But we actually have the front end on the ground, which is definitely progress. It's super cool. Obviously, all it's just bolted together. We're just needing to get it kind of rolling and somewhat mobile. So, next up, we're going to get the rear end in. Try to set it all the way on the ground.
You know, the old road warrior needs these on there.
Dude, I'm thinking, seriously, if we put these wheels on my car, I mean, I could seriously win some car shows. I mean, yeah. It'd be awesome. So, yeah. And then, of course, we got to cut these mounts out for the dash that we didn't use out of the 07. But Alright guys, quick update. We got the Team Z. This stuff is pretty trick, I gotta say. I've never really checked this out. But kind of relocates the uppers, upper control arms. And then we had to cut out, as you can see right here, they had already cut it out once to put the coilovers in the car. And they didn't cut it out enough. So we're wondering why we had to cut some more. Yeah. Coilovers were not going in without it. I'll show you why on the other side. You got another bar under here where they mount to, and there just was not clearance. But got the coilovers in, got the lowers in, uppers are on, and of course the coilover brackets for the rear are already welded to the rear end. So gotta say, kind of digging this this suspension. And of course here's the this is the Team Z anti-roll bar. Pretty serious drag setup. So, about to hang this dude back in there, get her all the way on all fours. Alright guys, so we had to take a quick break from installing rear end to just kind of show you everything we got working out here. Alex is about to get another victim to scream in his coyote swap. Of course, I got my turret out today. There's Ken right there rocking his fresh window tint. Got the SN95, we got Todd's car. We got Tony out here in the 2.7. Spool that thing up. Woo! But yeah, y'all. Well, there's Dover's car out there. I don't know what Ken's doing. Ken can't park, but yeah, it's so nice. Yes, we want to be in the shop doing work, but we have to come outside every now and again and do that stuff. Alright guys, so here's the deal on getting George's car all the way on the ground. As you can see, we didn't have any 4-lug roll-around wheels, so we had to slide in the old 5-lug axles, that kind of slowed us down, and we're missing some hardware here to bolt in the rear end. So unfortunately, we're not going to be able to get it all the way on the ground for you today, but it's close. All we got to do is finish getting the coilovers and the lower control arms bolted up, throw the wheels on it, and it is officially on the ground and mobile. Like I said earlier, roll cage is pretty well mocked up and powder coated. We did get the front end on the ground, as you saw earlier. So lots of progress on George's car today. I've had a ton of people asking about this car. When are we gonna, get started on it? So there you go, getting it rolling, getting it moving, and then of course right there is the engine. George's Coyote 2017 Mustang engine is there. So there you go, guys. Super excited to be working on this car. This thing's gonna be awesome. We just need a lot more parts and keep rolling with it. And then of course all the other cars you see, Lee's car, we're going hard and heavy with that. Engine's in the Wild Strawberry car, so that'll be rolling soon, and hopefully we'll have an engine for Jeremy's car very shortly. So tons and tons of stuff going on at the shop today, guys. It's been freaking awesome, and lots more to come, especially because the weather's gotten nicer. I'm loving it. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And as soon as this video's over, in just like a few seconds, go build your beast.